how to repost story on Instagram if not tagged. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually choose the story that you want to repost. So let's say this one, this is her story and I am not tagged, and you want to actually put that on your story too. So what you can do is to go to your to go to the story and then take a screenshot. Now, after screenshotting it, what you can do next is you can actually just crop it here to make it cleaner and tap on done here and tap on save to photos. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your stories and choose the photo that you want to repost. And as you can see here, you have now reposted a story on Instagram if you are not tagged, and tap on your stories. Let's go here, and here it looks like this. And that is it. That is how you repost story on Instagram if not tagged. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.